it, and it is about 1 a.m. at the night, and I'm still awake to make this video for you guys. I hope you are enjoying the videos and getting the information you are looking for. All the information given in this book is authentic, and you can verify it from the website that is given in the end of this book. You can visit www.ii.org insurance. Okay, so let's start this video. Today what are we going to cover is the protection against earthquake damages. Okay, protection against earthquake damage coverage for earthquake damages is excluded in the most property insurance policies, including business owners package policies. Businesses in an earthquake prone area will need a special earthquake insurance policy or commercial property earthquake endorsement. So as you can see, there is no payment if your property is damaged or your business has lost due to earthquake. You will have to get a separate insurance policy for that damage. And next one is the protection against terrorist attack losses. And under the terrorism risk insurance act of 2002 and its extension, only businesses that purchase optional terrorism coverage are covered for losses arising for terrorist acts. Okay, the exception is workers' compensations, which cover work-related injuries and death, including those due to acts of terrorism. As you can see, this paragraph says that the loss due to terrorism or terrorist acts will not be covered in this policy. If you want to get yourself paid for this destruction, you'll have to opt for a separate policy, insurance policy. And this policy is basically covered the loss of the workers and the injuries and the deaths related to terrorism. Okay, next one is the liability insurance. In liability insurance, we can see any enterprise can be sued. Customers may claim that the business caused them harm as a result of, for example, a defective product, an error in a service, or disregarded for another person's property. Or a claimant may allege that the business created a hazardous environment. Okay, liability insurance pays damages for which the business is found liable up to the policy limits. There are some policy limits, as you can see, and the policy is only liable if the damage is within this range. Okay, as well as the attorneys fees and other legal defense expenses. Okay, and you can see it also pays the medical bills of any people injured by or on the premises of the business. This policy will pay you if the people are injured in the business premises. Okay, so they'll get money for that loss. So that's all for today's video. I hope you are enjoying my videos and getting yourself latest updates about my videos. So this is all for today's video. I hope you like the video. I would like to take permission from you guys before leaving. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in next video.